Students, in this video I'm concentrating on one topic, that is wrapper class. Wrapper class in Java. Actually, wrapper class is a collection of classes of similar types. Basically, wrapper class is a predefined class which is already present inside Java. Where it is present? In java.lang package. Actually, it is created only for wrapping purpose. See, class whose objects wrap, or we can say it contains a primitive data type inside it, or we can say that basically wrapper class is used to create, or we can say it is used to convert one data type into another. Here I have taken example of conversion, but here I am taking example how to create an object from a primitive data type. But first of all, the reason why we have wrapper class, reason I have written here, why we are having wrapper class. See, all predefined classes in Java had first letter capital. So first of all, we have to concentrate on this point, that in Java, every class which is predefined, Java have some rules and regulation. That is, first letter of that class should be capital. See, and they are completely mentioned, not in the short form. See, the short form of a integer isn't, but when we are concentrating on class, then we have to write it completely. It is integer, not int, and the first letter should be capitals. See, the same case char, but here I am writing character. C should be capital. These are primitive data type. I think you know what you mean by primitive data type. Predefined data types are primitive data types. And we have wrapper class, where when we are converting these primitive data type into wrapper class, that conversion is known as autoboxing. And when we are converting wrapper class into primitive data type, then that is unboxing. Here I'm going to explain in deeply. See, first use to convert primitive data type into an object. Actually, string is not a data type, it is a wrapper class. That's why when we are creating a variable of string, it is a kind of object only. We can say string as a data type, string as an object, but the correct one is object. String is a wrapper class, and when we are creating variable of string, then it is a kind of object. So we can convert a primitive data type into an string, into an object of a string, and vice versa. Means we can convert string into integer and integer into string. Both the cases, we can convert string into integer, we can convert integer into string. Same way, if we want to convert float into string, then we have to write float.toString. If we want to convert string into float type, then we have to write float.parseFloat. See, the second point, to store primitive value in an object. Actually, wrapper class is used for these two purposes. One is for conversion, another one is to store primitive value in an object. Primitive value, see, 64 is a primitive value, primitive data type. 64 is an integer, means it is a primitive data type. See, I have written here int, primitive data type. Primitive data type 64. Here I am converting 64 into an object. See, I have written conversion of primitive data type to an object. Here the conversion going on and it is converted into an object. See how to create an object in Java? You all know, I think so. Class name, object name equals to new class name, function bracket open close, semicolon. Object is instance of a class, you all know, I think so. In this process, what is going on is known as autoboxing. When we convert primitive data type into an object, this process is known as autoboxing. That's why I have written here conversion of primitive data type to an object. See the next thing. If we are storing the value of an object in integer variable, then it is also a kind of conversion of an object into a primitive data type. It means unboxing occurs. See, I have written object is an object of wrapper class integer, storing object value in primitive data type. This process is known as unboxing. If we want to write a definition of autoboxing, then we can write it is a process of assigning primitive value directly in an object of wrapper class. Means process of assigning equals to process of assigning a primitive value is 10 directly to an object of wrapper class. Integer is the wrapper class, val is object of that wrapper class. See the next point, unboxing. Unboxing is just a reverse process of autoboxing. It converts an instance, means object of wrapper class to its corresponding primitive type. Means val is object, and here I am storing value. Here I am storing val as an object, value of val into num. See, here the conversion is going on. Val is an object I am going to store at a primitive variable, that is num. Num store value of an object, means what occurs? Unboxing. See, again I have put one note here. All primitive wrapper classes are immutable. What do you mean by immutable? Change is not possible. All primitive wrapper classes are immutable in Java, means we are not supposed to change them. So operations like addition, subtraction, what we are going to do, creates a new object, and modification is possible. Actually, modification is not possible in old one. I think you are able to understand what I want to say. Thank you.